Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Shopify links. First, let's explore the fundamental ways to create links within your Shopify store. We will cover accessing the essential link creation tools directly from your admin panel. Understanding these basics is crucial for building a well-organized and user-friendly online shop. You will learn how to effectively guide your customers through your products and content, enhancing their shopping experience from the very first click. Now, let's dive into creating links for your products and collections. From your Shopify admin, simply go to either the Products or Collections section. Choose the specific item you want to link, and you can easily copy its unique web address. These direct links are incredibly useful for adding items to your store's navigation, embedding them into blog posts, or sharing them across your social media channels to drive traffic. Next, we will explore creating custom links and managing your store's navigation. You can create links to external websites, like a partner's blog, or to specific internal pages not automatically listed. To organize these, head to the navigation section in your admin. Here, you can add new menu items, arranging them to create a clear and intuitive path for your customers. This ensures a smooth browsing experience, helping visitors find exactly what they need. Finally, let's discuss some best practices for managing your Shopify links. Always double-check that every link is functional and directs users to the correct page. Employ descriptive anchor text, which means using clear words for your links instead of generic phrases like "click here." This significantly improves your store's search engine optimization. Make it a habit to regularly review and update your links to ensure your store remains professional and easy to navigate for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.